Welcome back. At a big protest rally at Mumbai's Azad Maidan, Maharashtra Navnirman Sena Chief Raj Thackeray has demanded the resignation of State Home Minister R.R. Patil and Police Commissioner Arup Patnaik for the lack of efficiency in handling the riots in Mumbai earlier this month. It is interesting to note that earlier in the week, Shiv Sena Chief Bal Thackeray had lashed out at Commissioner Arup Patnaik and said that any government that backs him is an enemy of the country.
वो जो अभी बंबई में जुलूस निकला जिसमें काफी हंगामा हुआ, उसके विरोध में वो जुलूस निकालना चाहते हैं। तो ये तनाव जो है सोसाइटी में बहुत बढ़ रहा है। हम दोनों तरफ जो है एक तरह से कट्टरवादी लोग जो है वो समाज को बिल्कुल गंदा कर रहे हैं और ये देश के एकता और अखंडता के लिए बहुत अच्छी बात नहीं है। आप बिफोर पार्टीशन देखिए, दोनों कम्युनिटी में जिस तरह से अलगाव हुआ, दोनों कम्युनिटी में जिस तरह से कट्टरवादी ताकतों ने माने रोल प्ले किया, वो अल्टीमेटली जो है देश को उसने डिवाइड किया। तो हमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये ट्रेंड ठीक नहीं है।
And setting aside their confrontation over the CAG report on coal block allocation, opposition and the ruling party today got together in a rare show to unanimously elect Congress leader P.J. Kurian as Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman. The House, which was adjourned earlier for an hour after uproar over CAG reports tabled on Friday, saw the opposition suspending its attack on the government to allow the election and subsequent felicitation to Kurian by members from all parties.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I join all members of this august House in felicitating Professor P.J. Kurian on his unanimous election to the august office of the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The fact that the choice has been made unanimously is a reflection of the wide esteem and support and appreciation which Professor Kurian enjoys in this House.
These days, unanimous elections are very rare. And the fact that Professor Kurian has been unanimously elected is actually a tribute to both his pleasantness and his patience, which he has shown in conducting the House all these years. He's probably one of the most experienced members of Parliament. I think he's lost count of the number of terms he's had. He's had 6 terms in the Lok Sabha. This is his 3rd term in the Rajya Sabha. And I think very few people can match his kind of parliamentary experience.
इसके साथ ही मैं इनसे ये भी आग्रह करती हूँ कि जिस प्रकार से आज इनको सर्वसम्मति से राज्यसभा का उपसभापति चुन लिया गया है, उसी दृष्टिकोण के हिसाब से ये राज्यसभा की सभी कार्यवाही में सभी दलों का बराबर जरूर ध्यान रखेंगे।
The efforts of the state BJP in Karnataka to demonstrate unity during the statewide tour fell apart as senior leaders refused to go as a team. As a result, former Chief Ministers B.S. Yediyurappa, D.V. Sadanand Gowda and BJP National General Secretary H.N. Anant Kumar are now embarking on a state tour separately on different dates. The party had earlier decided to send all its top-rung leaders on the tour. However, lack of understanding and trust among leaders forced the party to send them as different groups. State BJP General Secretary Prahlad Joshi, however, dismissed any rift between the leaders. Maruti Suzuki India today reopened its Manesar plant amid heavy security a month after a lockout was declared due to the violence in which one senior company official was killed and 100 others were injured. Workers were seen standing in the queue outside the factory gate to enter the plant amid heavy rain. Haryana Police has provided 500 personnel, out of which 200 are inside the plant and 300 in areas around the facility. Initially, about 150 cars are expected to be rolled out every day instead of the plant's normal capacity of 1,500 to 1,700 units.
हरियाणा सरकार की तरफ से एक यहाँ पर IRB की बटालियन यहाँ पर लगाई गई है सुरक्षा के इंतजाम के लिए। वो मारुति का जो परिसर है उसके अंदर भी है और बाहर भी है। इसके अलावा जिला पुलिस भी है, कमिश्नरेट गुड़गांव से भी काफी संख्या में पुलिस लगाई गई है।
हम जो लोकलिटी गांव है, जो 20-30 गांव है, हमारा बिल्कुल मारुति कंपनी का सपोर्ट है। यहाँ ना हम किसी को यहाँ कानून हाथ में लेने देंगे, और जो यहाँ कर्मचारी आओगे उसकी भी सुरक्षा की गाँव ने गारंटी ली है। जो कर्मचारी सही रूप से काम करेगा उसकी सुरक्षा भी हम लोगों ने ली हुई है, और प्रशासक पूरा मुस्तैद है। यहाँ बिल्कुल फैक्ट्री शांतिपूर्ण चलेगी, और यहाँ किसी तरह की अब कोई अप्रिय घटना की कोई संभावना नहीं है।
क्योंकि गलती उसमें वर्करों की है, कोई कंपनी या मैनेजर डायरेक्टर की कोई गलती नहीं है उसमें। जो गलती है वर्करों की, उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। जो बार बार स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं या मारपीट हुई है, उस हिसाब से लगता है कि कंपनी कोई गलती नहीं है इसमें।
In the latest development in the Gitika Sharma suicide case, Delhi police said that former Haryana Minister Gopal Kanda's employee Aruna Chadha tried to mislead the investigation by misreporting her date of joining. Aruna during the probe had said that she had joined Kanda's company just a month before Gitika had. However, the appointment letter shows that Aruna had joined in 2004. Delhi police have also managed to trace the third hard disk following raids conducted on Monday and Sunday. Meanwhile, police failed to get the custody of Aruna to confront her with Kanda in the Gitika Sharma suicide case, with the local court rejecting its plea.
जो एविडेंस निकल कर आ रहा है अभी, उसके हिसाब से कई डॉक्यूमेंट्स फोर्ज करके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के थ्रू भेजे गए इनको डिफेम करने के लिए, इनको चीट करने के लिए। सेकेंडली, इनके प्रेमाइजेस पे जो पिछले 3 दिनों में रेड्स हुई हैं, जिसमें हम इनको गोपाल खंडा को साथ लेकर गए अपने, उसमें काफ़ी सारे रेलेवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स इनके सभी प्रेमाइजेस से, इनके फार्म हाउस से, इनके ऑफिस से, इनके घर से, सब जगह से हमें रेलेवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिले हैं, और कंप्यूटर्स के हार्ड डिस्क्स और कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप्स वगैरह मिले हैं।
Principles of law, that is what was argued today before the honorable court. Judgments were relied upon as well as the law was shown, and the arguments pertaining to whether in this matter under 306 the documents that are perpetually being used by the prosecution can in fact be relied upon were argued against. The honorable court was pleased to decide in our favor in the matter and dismiss the application of the prosecution.
Time for a very, very short break again. Stay tuned.